Look at all the birds. Oh my goodness. Man. Big herd of birds. Black Angus birds right there. Black like a Black Angus cow, but no, they're not Black Angus birds. I'm not sure what they are, but what a group, what a school, what a flock. Good close-up view of them right there. They eat a lot of cattle feed. Farmers really, especially dairy farmers around here, don't like them because they pick through the valuable food. They get the valuable grains out of their feed, and they cost the dairy farmers money, milk production. So we got a good look at them. That was neat.